All right, here we are at One Stop Auto Sales. This is Spencer Hood. Once again, I'm with Michelle Harris, Stephen Amerson, Craig Amerson here, located on 2838 Gray Highway in Jones County, 478-741-8009. What I've got for you here is a two-owner, clean Carfax, four-wheel drive Z71 Crew Cab Silverado. Book value on this truck is over $24,000, $24,500. We're selling it for $19,900. It's an internet special for $19,900. It comes with an aftermarket winch. Somebody spent some serious money on bumpers on the front and the rear, drop hitch receiver wiring harness, upgraded tires and wheel package as well. On a 2013, the vehicle has 115,000 miles, $19,980, right here at One Stop Auto Sales. 2013 Z71 four-wheel drive, spray in bed liner, leather interior, remote start. It's a LT package. As I said, it's got the upgraded bumpers, steel bumpers on front and rear with winch and drop hitch, the additional lights. Z71 white with the tan interior, two-owner, clean Carfax with 115,000 miles, $19,900. with a book value almost $25,000. Shop One Stop, folks. Let me tell you, we are Middle Georgia's pre-owned headquarters. Reach out to myself, Spencer Hood, 478-718-1991, or reach me at the store at 478-741-8009. And remember, don't be upside down in your next vehicle. Shop One Stop.